Welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. And today what I want to do with you guys is a quick little unboxing of a couple of products that I did buy from Car Supplies Warehouse, and also an ozone generator that I bought from Detailed Image. Right, I do want to talk about a couple of these products, especially the ones that I just bought from Car Supplies Warehouse, just to show you guys a couple of things if you need to upgrade, or my opinions on why I bought these equipment and items. This is the best video for you guys to watch, so let's get started. So like I stated earlier, I'll be doing an unboxing just to show you guys the things that I got, my opinions on why I got it and why I need it, right? So the first thing I bought was this next paint depth gauge, right? It's connected to your Bluetooth and all this other stuff on your phone. I do have over here a Positest DFT. I bought this a little bit over 3 years ago. I do have this, but the problem with this, it does not read through aluminum, right, or plastic surfaces. This reads through all surfaces, right? So this is why I bought this coat and paint thickness gauge, so this way I am much more aware of what's actually going on when I'm measuring paint, to see what's actually happening to the paint. And I actually like how there's an indicator, right? Here it is, it shows you green, then you have yellow, then you have red, indicating whether you have enough paint, if you're clear, if you're about to hit the red, stuff like that. This is a really good tool, but again, this is just an estimate, right? A paint depth gauge is never 100%, but this is definitely gives you a base idea of what it is, even though I know how to read paint with this, but I really do want to read aluminum or plastic, foam, styrofoam type of surfaces. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, so this is why I got this. Next thing I got was this Rid Sticks from KXK Dynamics. Whenever I do a couple of sanding spots, I did get this on purpose. You get the stiff. I bought the stiff and the soft one, so you can see the stiff one is the one with the white one. It's actually really stiff, and this one is black one. You could press through. The black one is so you could contour into some of those areas. And what it does come with as well as a little kit, get these sanding little things to tie on. So you got 1500 grit and 2000 grit that I got here, 2000 and 3000 grit. So it's pretty cool. I bought this just to do spot sanding whenever. Alright, so the next thing I got was a bunch of single edge blades. This is very important, especially when I remove some PPF film or gotta remove some tar, stuff like this. I dull these out and I could put them inside these little colored I guess spatula type of thing, right? So I do this to remove, like I said, any like sticky tar residue, glue from, like I said, PPF, clear bra, whatever you want to call it, right? It's very important that you do use this. I dull these blades out so this way I can scrape them off without damaging the paint. And then if I do get a little too aggressive by accident, again, you could use the KXK Dynamics sanding blocks to help remove those little imperfections. Now, the next thing I got in here was just straight up polishing pads. So I ran out of these a bunch. I got the 5.5 inch coarse wool from Rupes and the 3.5 inch. I use these a lot. I use these a bunch. My other ones did break. They were already damaged. They lasted me close to 15 to 20 vehicles, especially the smaller ones. They tend to break a lot faster than the 5.5 inch pads, right? So I did get that. That's all I got from Car Supplies Warehouse. The most that I'm really excited for is this paint thickness gauge, right? So this is the one that I'm really excited for. So I'll be doing a review on this and doing a test spot on panels, comparing each of the two. Now the last one, I'm about to open it up. Let me go get that box and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so this is the last bit of it. So this is the last unboxing of the video. So what I got here is an ozone generator. I did have an old one before, and also let me just show you guys, I do use this for basic one just because a lot of times customers don't need this full ozone generator when you could use this one time type of ozone generator type of gas. It works well for minor odor removal, right? But if you need something a lot more powerful with more of a punch and stuff like this is what I offer to my customers. I did have an old ozone generator for smoke removal and stuff like that. It wasn't as powerful as this one, so the other one would run me about 8 to 10 hours to have it plugged inside the vehicle. Now I could cut my ozone generator in half, or maybe tackle much more heavier odors with this generator now, and customers will be a lot more excited, right? So this is the Pro 44 from Gtechniq, like I said. Let me just lift this up to see what this is. This is the power cord it comes with, and this is the ozone generator in itself. This is the ozone generator in itself. It's actually pretty small, but the fact that it's actually pretty good, can't wait to try it. So I'm guessing the ozone generator comes out through, guessing this side right here. That's where the ozone come out. So I gotta get a hose to put this in, because you never want to put the ozone generator inside the vehicle. You want it to leave it outside, and you run a tube inside the vehicle, so that way it produces more ozone. And on top of that, the ozone, once it's saturated inside the vehicle, you do not want a bunch of ozone sitting inside the vehicle. For ozone to be properly produced, you do need oxygen, so it's a lot easier when it pumps out oxygen, or feeds oxygen in and pumps all that ozone inside, right? So that is very, very important for odor removal. So yeah, so this is the unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys what I got and some things that I feel will improve the quality and improve my business and efficiency. That way my customers can get their vehicles a lot faster, especially with this ozone generator. I'll be able to give their cars back the same day, right? So if you guys like this video, if you guys found it informative, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.